In this video we're going to look at two-stage problems. In particular, how do we change a two-stage problem into a one-stage problem? They're called two-stage problems because there are two things we've got to do to get to our x value. Let's look at three examples. So in this first example, what we want to do is we want to get the term with x in on its own first. So we want to get rid of the add-in 7 by subtracting 7. So that's going to leave us with the 4x, and 15 take away 7 is 8. And this is just like our one-stage problems. So now we want to get rid of the multiplying by 4 by dividing by 4, so that's going to cancel out the 4 to leave us with x, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. This next one's slightly different. What makes this different to our other ones is that the x is negative. So the first thing we do is we add x to both sides, so that will cancel out the subtracting x to leave 15 on this side and leave us with 6 plus x on the other side. So now we want to cancel out the add-in 6 by subtracting 6, and that's going to leave us 9 equals x. But we don't give our answers like that, we write it the other way around, x equals 9. So this next one, we want to get the term with x in on its own first, so we're going to add 12 to both sides to cancel out the subtracting 12 to leave us with x over 2, and adding 12 to the other side gives us 13. Sorry, I should have put here that we were adding 12. And then this time, to get rid of dividing by 2, we're going to multiply by 2, so it leaves us just with the x, and on the other side we get 26. Here are three questions for you to try. Try and do them on your own by pausing the video, and then when you've finished, check your answers against mine. Okay, so we're going to add 3 first, so that's going to leave us with 5x equals 20. We're now going to divide by the 5 to leave us with the x equals 4. So this next one, we're going to get rid of the add-in 4 first by subtracting 4 to give us x over 7 equals 2. We're now going to cancel out the dividing by 7 by multiplying by 7 to give us x equals 14. And this last one, our issue is that our term is negative, so we can add x to both sides to give us 9 equals 3 plus x, and then we're going to cancel out the adding 3 by subtracting 3 to give us 6 equals x, but we don't give our answers like that. X has got to come first, so x equals 6. Here are some questions for you to try. See how you do. Discuss your answers with your friends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay in infield with Winfield.